Yo, what's up mga boss? So, another day, another trouble. So, preload oil pump, no? It's low pressure mga boss. And I just check the motor first. So, wala naman siyang normal temperature. Check ko ulit. Check ko yung rotation ng rotor kung smooth ba, okay naman. So ngayon mga boss, try ko yung manual. So wala siyang function. Lamp test, good naman. So dito tayo sa starter circuit. So dito po mga boss, basa tayo nito. So more importantly during troubleshooting is marunong tayong magbasa ng diagram. Okay, ngayon mga boss, so ito talagang hinala ko, yung EOCR, so yung overcurrent relay, dahil wala na siyang indication and obvious talaga na patay siya. Okay, so let's do some check sa voltage. So try natin check yung mga voltahe. Okay, so far all goods. So lahat ng input voltage goods naman. So check ko rin yung contact signal. Okay, so wala talaga siya. So dead talaga si EOCR, yung electronic overcurrent relay. So palitan natin mga boss. Yan, buti may spare akong nakita. So pareho naman siya, iba lang yung kulay and pareho yung model at saka type. So sundin lang yung setting ng luma. So before doing this job mga boss is make sure na may assessment and work permit na kayo. Okay, so make sure isolate all power supplies para safe yung trabaho natin. Okay, so nakabit ko na mga boss, and balik na natin yung power supply, fuses, and switch on na natin yung circuit breaker. Okay, so let's try to start. Okay, goods.
So first, check the motor. Okay, good. Go back to starter.
Oh yeah, so there's another guy, vlogger. So bye, pa-shoutout ako, Dreams Beyond, Coastline. So this is our third engineer, best third engineer in our company. So that's all guys, thank you for watching this video.